Star Hotshots po, the 5th seeded team after the elimination round with a 10-point lead kontra sa number 1 seeded Alaska Aces. Ontiveros is with Menk, Abueva, Manuel, and Banchero. Manuel leans in, wala. Melton bagong pasok with a rebound. Sama ni Melton sina Devans, Pingris, Rivas, and Simon. Both coaches electing to go all Filipino to open the second quarter of action.
Well, they needed to rest or give their imports time to really recover, and most especially, lalo-lalo pagdating sa second half, I'm sure doon magagamit talaga both imports.
Devans on the move. Trying to go glass. JDV opens up the scoring for the second frame, pushing their lead to its largest this evening.
You know, the score of Star Hotshots is a true testament to what they're getting out of their defense. At taas ang kanilang puntos because they're getting easy baskets. Ang problema dito, Alaska would rather shut them down because that quantity is just gonna be sky high towards, you know, the latter part of this game.
Banchero na puwersa into a long one. No movement sa kanilang opensa sa pagkakataon na yun.
You know, we were really looking for setting up, you know, that team play that Alaska is really known for. And so far, hindi nagpapapasok ang kanilang mga tira. They're settling for a lot of individual plays.
Speaking of settling, JDV, pakawala ng tres sa pagkakataon na yun as we get this report from Miss Erica.
Bago magsimula ang laro, kampante naman si Coach Alex sa kanilang execution. Ang problema daw is that they are not hustling enough to catch 50-50 ball to maximize opportunities. And it is just not acceptable. Dagdag pa ni Coach. Sinabi din niya that they are playing very relaxed and that just can't be. Every possession matters and they should show its importance by being aggressive on the rebounding. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Miss Padilla. Hirap na hirap ang Alaska makahanap ng butas dito. Shot clock winding down once again. Ontiveros couldn't bail him out. Sa kanya rin ang talbog ng bola. Bam! Dondon Ontiveros with a 3. Hatid sa atin ng PLDT Home DSL Triple Play Fans.
Well, that's an exact way of having that never say die attitude. Dondon missed his first attempt. Tumira ulit siya because he's not quitting on his offense.
DJ Simondo over at the other end with his 4th point of the game. Start of the tournament, PJ was flat. He's turned it on, definitely. Dondon, he checked time. Manuel, wala pa rin. Melton with it. Kick out pass niya, natabig ni Banchero, but look at Melton keeping his eyes on that rock. Devans back to Melton. They look to reward their young gun. Wala mapupunta sa Alaska.
Yun ang nagiging problema talaga eh. Star Hotshots right now. At this point, na-out-hustle, out-energize sila ang Alaska Aces.
Hindi nag-announce. Pumasok si Sanitos. Pinalitan na ulit si Eric Meng. Sinabi na. Azul with the leather. Dondon trying to break free of Melton. Justin takes it away. It's a different look para kay Coach Tim. Usually Melton is paired with Baroka and Malyari. Ngayon, yung dalawang yun nasa starting lineup. Siya yung spark plug off the bench.
Nagkakaroon ng luxury nga si Coach Tim Con to really rotate his players well. Give him that minutes para everyone will come in fresh.
Banchero comes out of that scrum. Melton keeping in step with him. Banchero with a hesitation move. Sinaraduan siya dun sa baseline. Now they want toss at the post. Devans on him. The boss goes reverse. Nalinlang si Devans.
That's great footwork right there by Sonny Thos. Very hard to stop, most especially when he gets it deep in the block.
In mini run pa lang yan, ha? Bumaba lang sa siyam yung abante na Star. Nag-alala kagad si Coach Tim. Wanting to make sure everybody's on the same page. And as we mentioned, Blake Lee's back in this game.
It's all about momentum. That's why Coach Tim gusto na kagad niya patayin yung momentum na pwede makuha ng Alaska Aces.
Kita mo naman yung kaldagan ni Ping at ni Thos. Devans to Simon. Long bomb is a miss. Rebound. Naunahan silang lahat ni Justin Melton.
Again, it's a point guard getting the offensive rebound. Kanina, tatlo kay Baroka. Ngayon, even Melton is getting his contribution.
Pingris given that space. He feeds Devans. They want to attack the defense of Ontiveros. Devans leans in. 6 points in the game para kay JDV.
That's still an offensive rebound right there. Again, out-energizing that last play ng Star Hotshots ng Alaska.
Banchero has really come on strong in his third conference, but as we say that, he turns it over. This Banchero was uber efficient in the quarterfinal round. dito, maaga pa lang, naka-turnover na naman as we take another look at that JDV hit from moments ago.
You know, nagkakaroon talaga ng energy factor right now. Alaska would have to pick up its energy. That's one, and binanggit na nga yung kanina ni Erica in their report. At kailangan talaga nila, they have to buckle down on defense. You cannot give Star Hotshots too many chances for an attempt.
Star Hotshots, definitely on a roll. Picked up a bunch of wins late in the elims. And then, that demolition job in the first meeting with Global Port, they won by 53 points na binaka pa nila by another nice win in that second game as they held down at the Global Port. Panchero with a miss. Simon picks it up, pushing it para dito sa Star Hotshots. Ontiveros trying to keep in step with Blakely. Toss whistled for that foul.
Isapit ang ginawa doon ni Marcus Blakely. He was already trapped by Sonny Toss in the baseline.
Wala na siyang pupuntahan no? Nandun na si Toss. Nanggigilan, binaba pa kasi yung braso.
Oh, nagigil. Well, you know, mahirap talaga in the position of Sonny Toss because they're also trying to increase the intensity, most especially on defense.
Free throws na to. This natin na Smart. Live more! Parang di ba pwede yun? No? Pagka sinabi mong kailangang matindi intensity, ang hirap na diretso lang yung kamay. Talagang may hataw na kasama yan.
You know, you want to, parang may gigil lang kasama eh. Kasi sometimes players get frustrated because hindi mo mapigil yung offensive set ng kalaban.
Travis, ibinalik na dito ni Coach Alex. Eximiniano also part of the five. Alaska with a shorter lineup. The Star Hotshots going with the bigs, but Travis walang pakialam. Tatlo na kapaligid, tinakdakan.
That can be a start of an Alaska uprising. Yung setup job na ginawa doon to Travis was excellent because he sealed very well, and that ball swing to be able to get the ball on top to find Travis in the middle for an easy dunk.
Simon nakawala kay Azul. Teardrop.
Ooh! What can you say about Marcus Blakely's dunk?
Just when you thought na yung dak-dak na ito ni Travis can swing the momentum the way of the Aces, pinawi ka agad yan. Ito ni Blakely, Travis nang gigigil sa kabilang dulo. Pingres is right on him. Romeo surveys the floor, pinaalis si Azul. Eximiniano back to Travis on the repost. 5 to shoot for the guys in white. Naipit, babalik kay Eximiniano. Ping, Mintis. That's Ping Eximiniano. Dalawa pala yung ping ngayon, ano?
Dalawa silang ping.
Baroka on the attack. Eximiniano all over him. They go back to Simon. Blakely will offer the pick. Blakely sasapo. Pingris do sa loob. Ginagambala ni Eximiniano. Ping kontra Ping. Travis is whistled for the foul.
You know, Star Hotshots very patient with their offense. You can see right there. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina, is a matinding seal which leads to a nice dunk.
Pero sa kabila, it was a follow-up jam naman mula kay Blakely. Timeout muna tayo. On their way to becoming the best team in the elimination round ng ating Governor's Cup, yung We Not Me hashtag and attitude na itong Alaska Aces saw them come out as number 2 in assists per ball game, and hindi isang tao na ball guard heavy o one-man heavy yung assist. Kalat-kalat yung pasahan nila.
You know, yun ang isang ikinatutuwa ng isang coach, the Coach Alex Compton, when you have everyone really share that basketball, which always leads to an easy basket.
Tito Sen and Bossing in the house. Of course, tinututukan nila. Ito si Mark Pingris. 5 assists in the ball game pa lang para dito sa Alaska, no? Sa kalahating quarter na lumilipas. Pingris makes it a 13-point lead para sa Star Hotshots.
So far, yung kanilang assist, walang problema because they have always have that philosophy. Ang naging problema talaga nila, narinig natin si Coach Alex, is really the way they sprint down on defense. It's really their defensive stops that they can get actually their energy in.
Alaska, this tournament has been known for their solid D. Actually, this season, naka-finals to ng Philippine Cup. As Toss is whistled for the offensive foul, huling-huli ni Blakely yung gusto niyong gawin doon.
Well, that's why there's a switch. Kanina it was Johnny Vance, of course, he's now on the bench. Now it's Marcus Blakely guarding itong si Sonny Toss.
And the boss, Sonny Toss, now has 3 personal fouls across his number. Malaking dagot to para kay na Coach Alex Compton.
It's excellent defense right there. Kitang-kita mo, squared yung katawan dito ni Marcus Blakely. Inararo na talaga siya ni Sonny Toss because hindi nga niya maiwan Itong si Blakely.
Hindi lang pala balikat, may kasama pa si Iko, no? Parang Eric Reyes mo ba?
Yung depensa.
Ganon?
Eric Reyes.
Hindi lang ganun karami yung camera angles doon, pero pag nanonood ka live, nakikita natin yun. Corner jumper, hindi ubra. The Aces with an opportunity to inch closer here. Ball game definitely under the control of the Star Hotshots. Baguio is bothered. Pero swerte ng Alaska na ubusan ng espasyo doon si PJ Simon as we get this report from Miss Erica.
Maliban sa rebounding, isa pang problema ang in-emphasize ni Coach Alex is their poor shot selections. Their jumpers have been challenged effectively, so they should be smart enough to know by now that penetration will be key to get those easy baskets. So take their time sa pag-ikot ng bola as patience will help them find their way in. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Miss Erica. Pasensya nga, no? Yun ang inaantay pa kanina pa ni Coach Alex.
Ganun nila nakakuha sa silip si Romeo Travis kanina because they were very patient to swing that basketball from the right wing to the middle.
Eximiniano napituan ng kanyang unang personal. Blakely troops the line for 2 shots.
Pero ang bilis naman dito bumawi ng Star Hotshots. Kita mo kaagad, transition attack.
Free throws to Blakely at it's atin na Smart. Live more. Coach Tim starting to reinsert the starters back into the game. Si Ping na lang yung off the bench niya sa puntong ito.
Kung titignan mo naman yung lima ng Star Hotshots, every time yung different combinations na ginamit ni Coach Tim, lahat na naging productive. Wala silang time na nagkaroon ng any slack yung sa lima sa loob.
Eximiniano looking for Casio. Hindi talaga makawala si JV. Kanina pang first quarter kontra dito kay Baroka. Damaso on the move. Ispalinghado yung hook niya doon. Baroka surveys. Goes to the crossover. Out to Malyari. Nakalibre si James. He bobbles. He shoots. No problema para dito kay Big Game. 3-point shot at sa atin ng PLDT Home DSL triple play plans. Pero kilala naman natin itong Alaska Aces na bansagan niyang comeback hits to this season. Always resilient, never giving up. You just gotta find the rhythm here, Eric. Will that defense of the Star Hotshots allow it or do they just have to take it?
Well, right now, they just have to work just like ganyan. Yung mga baskets where they really need to work hard, they have to battle. Those are the things that Alaska would need. And let's always remember, they were down by 16 against Barangay Ginebra, and yet that never say die attitude of the Aces always brought them that victory.
Baroka on the attack. Gets it to Blakely. Doon sa poste, kontra kay Travis. 3 segundo na lang sa kanilang shot clock. Blakely's gotta take it. The fadeaway is short. Manuel para sa board.
A great defense by Romeo Travis right there.
Casio, stop and pop. Punches it through. Pero long to lang daw. Pero that's back-to-back hits now for the Aces. And look at Coach Tim Cone. Back-to-back hits pa lang yun. Malaki pa rin naman yung kanilang kalamangan. 14 na puntos pa. Pero timeout kagad.
Nakatutok pa rin po kayo sa labanan ng Alaska Aces at ng Star Hotshots. Sa huling huddle, Coach Tim with a comfortable lead doesn't find assurance not until the game ends. Pinaalalahanan lang niya ang team to keep their excellent defense intact as that has been the reason why they have been limiting Alaska. Nakikita nila ang gigil ng Alaska ang makahabol. Gamitin daw nila iyon to stay calm all throughout so they could capitalize on Aces' tendency to play hero basketball. Balik sa inyo.
That now is a 6-0 run para dito sa Aces. Yun nga binabanggit ni Erica, no? Si Coach Tim very wary of the bounce-back capability, of the comeback capability na itong Aces.
So, kitang-kita rin saan nagmumula yung energy ng Alaska, their defense. And we've seen that. Of course, they have their energy guys on the floor. Lalong-lalo pinauunahan niya ni Ping Eximiniano.
Isa sa tututukan natin dito, no? Before this fast break putback jam ni Romeo Travis, nagkabanggaan at tumumba pareho si Blakely at si Manuel. Might be a developing story as we go along. Pingris dun sa loob, puts it up and in.
That matchup is going to be something because both are really very physically gifted. Parehong malakas na player on that low post, Pingris at Manuel.
Wala na pong 2 kalahati natitira sa ating first half. Casio looking for traps. Pingris on him, tutulong pa si Malyari. Romeo back to Baguio, they reset the post. Travis back out to Cyrus, nabitawan nga lang ni Baguio. Travis has to go. Bailout jumper is good.
Pero sa tough defensive stance, sabi nakita ng Star Hotshots, but yung pasensya ng Alaska Aces, nakakuha pa si Travis ng jump.
Balik ulit sa 12 ang inahabol ng Alaska. Star Hotshots looking for a basket here. Wala ng 2 minuto na titira sa ating first half. Blakely on the move, puts it up. Gliding through. Oh, ayun oh. Blakely at Manuel, nag-iskisa na naman dun.
Well, si Big Manuel, hindi talaga papayag yan. Kahit tamaan siya ng tuhod, he's not gonna quit. He's just going to battle it out.
Malyari whistled for that foul.
A lot of contact right there. Meron pang...
May pabaon pa eh. May pabaon pa, no? Hindi yata nakita yun.
Simple lang.
Baguio and Malyari once again. This second quarter is getting chippy.
Well, definitely, because makikita mo na Alaska is really trying to fight it out hard. Ayaw nilang matambakan dito ng maaga before the half ends.
The Aces with some semblance of a rally in the last couple of minutes of play. Another foul whistle, this time on Baroka.
They have to grind it out after that slow start. Kailangan talaga makipagkiskisan sila dito. This is the only way they can recover.
Trying to will their way into getting into any kind of rhythm. Baguio to Travis mula sa elbow. 17-footer, wala. Devans para sa rebound. 14 ang abante ng Star Hotshots. Just over a minute remaining in the first half. James faking that three. Looking to dance with Eximignano. Pumunta muna siya kay Malyari. Malyari gets it back from JDB. Three-pointer is good. At insati ng PLDT Home DSL triple play plans.
Matagal mag-materialize ng setup na ginawa doon ng Star Hotshots, but still, nabigyan sila ng magandang jumper.
Blakely caught reaching in sa pagkakataon na yun. That will be the 15th foul para dito sa Star Hotshots, so hindi na rin sila pwede mamigay for the final 52.2. Or pang-apat pa lang pala, may isa pa. Dasho to Travis. Emergency pass yun. Babalik kay JV. 8 seconds remaining on that shot clock. Abueva trying to get it to Travis. Habulan dun sa loose ball na kanino ang foul. Joe Devans ang napituan.
Except for that foul, I was really impressed with the way Star Hotshots has been really playing defense. The rotation, yung mga naiiwan at pwedeng tumira ng jumper, they're all covered.
Baguio kontra Malyari. Kita mo naman yung banggaan dito. Abueva, lilipad. Ando doon si Travis for the putback.
Grabe yung panggaan talaga sa ilalim. You can see, lumalaban talaga dito ang Alaska.
Basket credited to Calvin Abueva. At 2 segundo. Mahigit ang diferensya ng ating shot clock at quarter clock. Malyari trying to put it up as their shot clock will expire. Malyari to Devans. Nakita si Yap. 3-pointer on the way.
Again, nagagaling lahat yan sa nice quick ball movement.
JV babawi.
Oh!
Big shot after big shot at the end of this first half. Baroka a little too fancy on that pass. Papunta sana kay Blakely. And that'll do it for the first 24 minutes of play.